8Ps.
Hi, my name is Marian Javier and I am from 8Ps. And this is among the buildings here in the LHS. I think this ST building has been a star. Hi, I'm Nina and I'm
Hi, I'm Marco.
Hi, I'm Carl.
And I'm Nigel.
And this is the canteen of LMHS.
I believe that this canteen has healthy food
And good environment.
I'm RJ.
And I'm Rosette.
This is the food technology room. We chose the cookery because among the majors here in LMHS,
In my point of view,
the cookery helps me to prove that I can do something else.
Hi guys.
This is the electrical installation and maintenance
For
laboratory.
short, it's CAM Laboratory.
hi, this is the cosmetology laboratory.
This is